is time for some updates, and I wanted to show you something I've been working on too. First, I'll show you what I've been working on. This is just like my YouTube desk or something like that, because like I said, I'm making a YouTube room, but I mostly make my videos here, so this is just my YouTube desk and all, so yeah. Now for the updates. First of all, if you want to do some fan art in the comments, if you can do some links, you can make a video on your channel of some fan art of the dog team, anything, I mean, I do Skylander videos, Ghostbuster videos, Nerf videos, superhero videos, Lego videos. You can do any fan art. Yeah, just some fan art of some stuff related to the dog team or something like that. I don't know. If you want a shout out, I guess you can ask. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Also, new videos are definitely coming up with the Ghostbusters stuff. I'm really excited for that. I guess that's about it. Oh, wait. If I get 200 subscribers or 150 subscribers, I'll do the Ghostbusters Firehouse review. And then, when I get 200, I get to get a GoPro, but I'll also do something, I don't know, maybe my Lego collection or my superheroes, Avengers Age of Ultron collection, okay? So that's it for this video. Bye, guys.